How to join Forsaken Discord server on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then on the left side, you will find plus button. Click on the plus button on the left side. Then in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on join a server at the bottom. After that, in the invite link section, simply type in Forsaken RBLX, then click on join. You'll find invitation, click on accept invite. After that, you will be joined into the Discord server. As you can see, this is how to join Forsaken Discord server on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.